How to find the best Moneygram promo codes in 2025. I'm going to tell you how to find the best Moneygram promo codes. Start by checking the official Moneygram app or website. New users often get a welcome discount right after signing up. Look out for banners or notifications in the app. They sometimes drop time limited offers during holidays or peak remittance seasons. Next, head to trusted coupon sites like Retail Me Not, Promo Pro, or Honey. Just type in MoneyGram 2025 and filter for verified recent codes. If you're sending money frequently, consider joining MoneyGram Plus Rewards. Members sometimes get exclusively codes via email. You can also follow their official social accounts where they occasionally post regional promotions.